You're staring at a chart, lines zigzagging, numbers flashing, and you're trying to figure out if that golden cross is actually golden or just a brassy illusion. You need a tool, a reliable one, to cut through the noise. But, and here's the million-dollar question, literally, how much is that tool going to cost you? We're talking about TradingView, the platform that's become the go-to for traders and investors worldwide. But, let's be real, price tags can be as volatile as the markets themselves. So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. You've probably seen those sleek charts, the customizable layouts, the community feed buzzing with insights. You're thinking, this is it, this is what I need. But then, you hit that pricing page, and suddenly, you're faced with a lineup of plans, Essential, Plus, Premium, and maybe even some enterprise options if you're feeling particularly ambitious. Now, here's the thing. TradingView operates on a freemium model. Yes, you can jump in and start charting without spending a dime. The free version offers a solid foundation, basic charts, a decent selection of indicators, and access to the community feed. It's perfect for dipping your toes in the water, for getting a feel for the platform. But, as with most things, free comes with limitations. You'll quickly find yourself bumping up against restrictions, fewer indicators on a chart, fewer saved chart layouts, and those pesky ads that pop up just when you're trying to spot a trend reversal. And if you're serious about trading, about leveraging every possible advantage, these limitations can become, well, limiting. That's where the paid plans come in. Let's start with Essential. This is the entry-level paid plan, and it's designed to remove those basic frustrations. You get more indicators, more saved layouts, and, crucially, no ads. It's a step up, a smoother experience, but still relatively basic. Then there's Plus. This is where things start to get interesting. With Plus, you're getting more advanced features, things like multiple chart layouts, more alerts, and enhanced watchlist capabilities. It's for the trader who needs a bit more firepower, who wants to analyze multiple markets simultaneously. And then, there's Premium. The big kahuna. This is the top-tier plan, the one that unlocks the full potential of TradingView. You get everything, maximum indicators, maximum saved layouts, maximum alerts, and the ability to set alerts based on intraday intervals. If you're a day trader, a swing trader, or anyone who needs real-time, granular data, Premium is likely where you'll end up. Now, the actual cost? That's where things can vary. TradingView offers monthly and annual subscriptions, and naturally, the annual plans offer significant savings. But, the price itself can fluctuate based on promotions and regional pricing. So, the best advice is to head over to their pricing page and see what the current rates are. Remember, the cost of TradingView is an investment. It's an investment in your trading education, your analysis, and ultimately, your profitability. Consider it a tool, just like a high-quality hammer or a precision saw. You wouldn't skimp on those if you were building a house, would you? Ultimately, the best plan for you depends on your trading style, your budget, and your needs. Start with the free version, get a feel for the platform, and then upgrade as your needs evolve. Don't rush, take your time, and find the plan that fits you like a glove. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.